Welcome back. In this video, I wanted to go over the AWS Storage Gateway. The AWS Storage Gateway offers you the ability to connect your on-premise data center or applications to AWS storage. It gives you the ability to access S3 storage using standard protocols. We can use the Storage Gateway for disaster recovery, backup and restore, and for any other low latency access from on-premise systems to AWS storage. Now, we do have three types of AWS storage gateways. We have the File Gateway, the Tape Gateway, and the Volume Gateway, which are all virtual appliances. The File Gateway can use protocols like the SMB or NFS protocols so that you can access your files from on-prem. It also offers local cache so that you can quickly access data that you or someone else from your company may have recently accessed. The Tape Gateway uses an iSCSI-based virtual tape library and is compatible with most of the leading tape backup applications. The Volume Gateway is a block-based storage service which can asynchronously back up your on-premise storage volumes from devices like your servers. Now, you just need to understand at a very high level what AWS Storage Gateway does for the exam. I'll see you in the next video.